Hi. In this video, we will learn about the SORTBY function in Excel.
Sort by function sorts contents of a range or array based on values from another range or array. So this is different from the sort function where you are not using another range or array to sort by. So unlike the sort function, in the sort by function, we are using another array or a range to sort by. So this is the syntax of the sort by function. So first argument is array, that is the range or array to sort. And by array is the range or array to sort by. So it's different from the array. Then we have sort order, ascending 1 and descending -1, and default value is ascending. And the fourth argument is array or order. You can give it in sequence. Like for array 1, you can give the order. Array 2, you can give the order, whether ascending or descending. So likewise, you can have multiple sets of arrays and orders. So there's another difference in the sort by function when we compare with the sort function. So it doesn't have a separate argument to say whether we want the sorting by rows or columns. So here the range or array provided by the by array argument will determine the sorting orientation automatically. When by array is vertical, it sorts vertically by rows, and when the by array is horizontal, it sorts horizontally by columns. So here we have some products, the volumes, and then the price per unit. And let's say we want to sort product range in ascending order by the volume range. So basically we are sorting the product range by another range, which is the volume range. So let's see how we can do the function. So we type equals sort by, and then we only want the product. So we give array as the product range. And then by array is where we want to sort by. So in this case, we want to sort by volume. So we will select the volume range. And then we have to give the sort order. We want ascending. So we select 1. So here we are only sorting by volume. So we can close the bracket, press enter. So you see combo meal is the first and chicken nuggets is the last. So if you check the volumes, the highest volume is chicken nuggets. So it's at the last. So you are in the ascending order. So the largest volume, 120, belongs at the bottom where chicken nuggets are. So if you check the lowest value, is 30, and that is the combo meal. So the combo meal is at the top over here. So we can see now the product has been sorted in ascending order by volume in this list over here. So again, if you want to sort the product by ascending order by volume, and then we want to get all 3 columns of data, we can write the function this way, equals sort by, and here for array, all I need to do is give the whole range because I want all 3 columns returned. And then I give the by array. So I want to sort by volume again. And the order is in ascending order. And I can close the bracket, press enter. So now I can see all the data is written. So I can see combo meal, the lowest volume is over here, and chicken nuggets, the highest value is over here. And all of the volumes are in ascending order. Clearly, I can see that now. Now we'll look at how we can sort by descending order by volume. Now let's see how we can sort the products in descending order by volume range. So I can write the formula here, equals sort by. So array, I need to select all of the columns. And then by array is again, I want to sort by volume. And here I want in descending order. So -1 and close bracket, press enter. Now the products are in descending order by volume. So the highest volume, chicken nuggets, is at the top. Early it was at the bottom. And then combo meal, the lowest value is at the bottom over here. Now let's look at sorting by 2 levels. So here I have some data, the name of the salesperson, the product, the region, units sold, and then the sales value in dollars, 1,000. So what if I want to sort the data to range in ascending order by region and then in descending order by sales? So I have 2 levels of sorting. First by ascending order by region and then descending order by sales. So let's see how we can write the function. We can write equals sort by. So I want to select the whole range for the array because I want all the values of the columns returned. And I put a comma. So first I need to sort by region in ascending order. So I will select region, comma, and I want in ascending order. So I will select 1 and then comma, and then I have to give the second array and then the second sort order. So second I want in descending order by sales. So I need to select first sales and then I need to select descending order. So I can put -1 and close the bracket and press enter. So let's see whether the data is fine. So I wanted by ascending order by region. So region alphabetically needs to be in ascending order and then descending order by sales. So if we take the north region like this, the sales values are in descending order. So the highest value 172 is here and the lowest value 44 is here. So, and also the regions are sorted alphabetically in ascending order. So E, N, S, and then finally W. And if you check south also, south we got 2 items for south. So 283 highest value is at top and then after that we get the lower value 20. So our data has been sorted properly by region in ascending order, then by sales in descending order. So let's look at what's called a horizontal sort by, where we are sorting data across columns from left to right rather than the default vertical sorting where we do top to bottom. So we got our source data here. So these are the different columns I got. Let's say I want to have column 1 as product, column 2 as sales, column 3 as region, column 4 as units, and so on. And then I want it this way. So product, column 1 is here, sales is 2, and so on. I can write the function here, equals sort by. For the array, I need to give the whole range like this. And for the sort by order, for the by array, I will give this number sequence here. And I want it in ascending order from 1 to 5. And I close bracket, press enter. And I got it sorted in by these numbers in ascending order. So product is column number 1 and name is column number 5. We can also change the sort order from ascending to descending. So if I change this ascending 1 to -1 to get descending. Now Alice is the first column now, the name. So the first column now has the names. So the name column is actually 5. So name column has become 1 now. So it's in descending order. So the highest column, number 5, has become number 1. And what we got at the end is the product column, that is number 1. So from 5 to 1, it is now sorted in descending order. So let me just change this back. Also, without giving a range here, I have given a range here for the sort order. I can also type it inside the function as an array. So let's see how we can do that. I can type equals sort by, and I give the range like this, comma, and for by array, I will give a array starting with a curly bracket. So what I want is 5, 1, 3, 4, and 2. So that's the column sequence I have given here, column number sequence. So I give it like that. And I can close the curly bracket. And I will put ascending order. And close bracket and enter. So I got the same arrangement for the columns from product to name. Here also product to name. So here I have given the by array in array form. And it gives the same result.
Thanks for watching.